So now for the bulldozer. The bulldozer costs us $850,000, has a 4-year life. At the end of the 4 years, they estimate it will be worth $150,000, and we're gonna use double declining. All right, so double declining is set up a little bit different. However, same as before, you want to scratch out that first line. Don't write anything else on that. But whereas the other ones, you do the cost minus the residual, with double declining, it's book value. All right, so at the very beginning, the book value is its cost. So you just bring this book value down to the next row for December 31st of 2016. The double declining rate is 2 because it's double. So it's 2 times 1 over the life, which is 4 years. Okay. So 850,000 times 2 divided by 4 is $425,000. All right, that carries on across over here to our accumulated. And then you subtract to get the book value. All right, and that book value carries on down to the next year. The rate stays the same, 2 times 1/4. And our depreciation expense for the next year is $212,500. All right, you add these two up. That gives you $637,500. Subtract that from the $850, and my book value is now $212,500. Okay, now if I were to continue working this out, all right, so this would come down here and be 212. So 212,500 times 2 times 1/4. All right, that actually equals $106,250. All right, but that's going to take this below 150. Remember, my book value has to stop when it hits the residual of 150. So this has to equal $150,000. And if I do another 106,000, it's going to be below that. All right, so I can't do that. And what I have to do this final year is plug the number in. All right, if this has to be 150, then my accumulated has to be 700 because 850 minus 700 is 150. All right, and then I can just do 700 minus the 637,500. And that's 62,500, and that's what my depreciation is actually going to be that year. And then this would just stay. I would just have 150, no depreciation, and 700 and 150. Okay.